what I did was wrong. I understand. But, like, the fact that you guys are trying to push it is, like... So if you basically don't know what you guys have been going on, if anyone's new here, so basically one day, we were talking in the chair server. I was talking to people. And then Alex came and I wanted my role changed because I didn't like the gay role. Then, after that, legitimately, I wanted to, like, do some stuff on the server. So I was, like, chatting. Then I kind of got a little bit mad. I don't remember exactly what happened, but, like, I know the gay role was involved. But then I got banned shortly after. And then when I got banned, I kind of took it out on Alex. But the only reason this happened, literally the only reason, there's only one reason to this. Y'all don't know what's happening outside of YouTube. You have no clue on what's happening. So, like, you can't judge someone if you don't even know what they're going through. I'm going through horrible stuff right now. I'm literally fucking depressed right now. Still doesn't mean you can't take it out on others. Legitimately, the only reason I took it out on someone else was because, like, I was not having a good day. Legitimately not having a good day. And also, that's also, like, plus depression. End stream? Fuck no, I'm not ending. Max, we understand, but there's no reason to take it out on others. That doesn't matter. I understand that. I deeply regret what I've done. Oh, I'm gonna time this person out. He's fucking spamming. I can't even read the fucking chat. Okay. If I was having a bad day, then called you slurs, would that be okay? No, but, like, I would understand because you were having a bad day, or if you were depressed, I would understand. But still, it's not okay. I would clearly understand that you're, like, having a bad day. I wouldn't, like, forgive you. Like, if you were in something that I owned, then I'd probably ban you for, like, maybe a couple months for doing it, but I completely understand if you, like, were mad. That's what I completely understand. That's what I would do to a person. But if they do it again, obviously I'm going to ban them. Max done exactly. I am willing to hear it. Yeah, exactly. Like, give me a chance, guys, to hear me out. Just hear me out. Give me a chance. Don't judge something. Give me a chance to, like, explain what happened and why it happened. Like, dog. If y'all just listen, then you would understand too. You would understand what I'm going through. I've already explained this to Alex. Alex understands what my situation is in. Alex understands. I've told him, but I'm just still banned. But he said that he doesn't care. I don't think Alex cares, guys. You don't have to be so protective over Alex. Exactly. Like, I'm not saying it was okay to do those things, and he's not saying that he should have done it. I'm just saying that I know why it was bad. The only reason I came back as a different person was because I wanted to be different. I wanted to change myself. Exactly, Xavier. Like, guys, harassing is, like, yeah, that is a crime. It's a crime to, like, harass others. You can't harass another person. It's illegal. And he's not brainwashed. Legitimately, I literally never said that I ever wanted to do this. I never said that. It just happened. What I'm basically trying to say is that legitimately, I didn't want to do this. Neither did I want this to happen. This is exactly what I was like scared of. I was actually scared of this happening. And I'm gonna hide him. Shut the fuck up. I'm just gonna ban the heaters. I'm not gonna ban Xavier though. Xavier's cool. But like, the only reason I did this was because I already explained this a million times. But I didn't want this to happen at all. I didn't. This is exactly what I'm scared of. Is this happening? Like what I did. I'm very scared of that. Like, do y'all think I wanted to do this? No, I didn't. Yeah, exactly. Like, legitimately, I'm not trying to be racist or anything. I'm not trying to be like a bad person. It just happened. Like, yeah, exactly. You still said the N-word 50 times. Do you think I wanted to do that? No. I don't want to do that. That's the thing. That's legitimately the thing. I never wanted this to happen at all. I wanted none of this to happen. I didn't choose what I wanted to say. That was just the first thing my brain resorted to. I didn't actually want to say it. Like, can y'all actually stop? Like, it's not even funny. Not even funny anymore. I'm not blaming my brain. I'm not. I'm not blaming my brain. What are you on about? Xavier. Yeah, exactly. I know I'm bad, but y'all are also bad for harassing me. You legitimately harassing me is also bad. You're doing two things at once. Legitimately, all I ask is for this to stop. I just want it to stop, dude. That's legitimately all I ask for. All I ask for is that. That's all I want in this world. I just want this to stop. Well, that's not going to happen, Sandwich Fan Channel. That's not going to happen. Miku, I've already said sorry many of times. I didn't mean for this to happen. Why can you just not understand? Xavier, hold on. Let me type something in chat. I'm gonna add this guy because I want to talk to him, Loki. What do you have? I'm not gonna brainwash him, guys. Chill the hell out. Oh, that's right. Wait. Can you get on Zoom? Can you get on Zoom? I can do a Zoom. I can send link. I'll just make it so they can't join. I'm gonna turn on the waiting room so the rest of you can't join. I just want to talk to Xavier. I don't want to talk to any of you. Because y'all are just haters. Why would I let you in? Fuck no. I'm just gonna let Xavier. Y'all, let Xavier do what he wants to do. If he wants to join, he can. I'm just asking him if he wants to join. I'm not forcing him to join. Does it look like I am? Let Max choose, you motherfuckers. Let him choose. It's his choice, not yours. You don't make his decisions. Like, come on. Alright, guys. Or, Xavier, there's the code. Let me turn on the waiting room so they can't. How do you turn that on? One sec. I don't think he cares. You guys are just harassing me. I don't think he cares anymore. If you guys are my friends. Oh, okay. Okay, Xavier. Sandwich, you realize he's still not teaming with you, right? He's not teaming with you. He's not teaming with you, dude. He's not. He's not going to team with you, guys. Yeah, no, you're not teaming with me either, but he's not teaming with anybody. He's not on anybody's side. So if y'all can do me a favor, if y'all just gonna harass me, you can leave the stream. You can leave. Xavier is the only one defending you. Yeah, but I'm just saying what's wrong. And I know what I did was wrong. But you're also doing something that's wrong. You're also harassing. You're doing something that's wrong to someone. Legitimately, can I just live stream for once? Without being harassed? I just want to stream on my other channels too. I can discontinue Max Johnson, but I just want to stream on my other platforms. I don't want to be harassed. It's actually fucking annoying. Like, y'all stop. It's not even fun at this point. You're just making stuff worse. At this moment, you're making stuff worse. Like, legitimately? It doesn't even make sense. All you fucking saw was my fucking camera. Or my thing. Anyways, guys. That's my explanation.